Electric car batteries and cold weather. Not a good mix. How does cold weather impact electric vehicle battery life? My thanks to John Bogna for his excellent insight on this topic. When the temperature gets low enough, the electrolyte fluid inside an EV lithium-ion battery pack becomes more viscous, which slows down the chemical reactions responsible for the transfer of electrons. That impacts not only the range an EV can get on a charge, but also how quickly it can recharge. Anna Stefanopoulou, director of the University of Michigan's Energy Institute, says in an article for Wired that batteries are like humans, meaning they don't operate well outside of a certain temperature range. For an EV battery, that range is between 40 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything above or below that will cause problems. To help maintain a good operating temperature, modern EVs are built with battery heating and cooling systems. But those systems take energy to heat the battery, since unlike a gas-powered engine, an electric motor doesn't generate its own heat. Heating the car's cabin, running the defroster, and running the onboard computer systems also require power, sapping the battery more quickly than in warm weather. It's a fact lithium-ion batteries take longer to charge when they're cold, and regenerative braking features don't work as well either. Taken together, the adverse effect of cold weather can reduce EV battery capacity by as much as 41%. Though all EVs lose some capacity in cold weather, not all of them handle winter the same way. Battery manufacturer Recurrent conducted a study in 2021 comparing cold weather charge loss in thousands of EVs and found some hold up better than others. In the next few years, we could see EV lithium-ion batteries that have no liquid inside them, largely mitigating the charge loss that comes with colder weather. Until that technology becomes widely available, though, EV drivers need to find workarounds. And here are some tips to help protect EV batteries from the cold. There are several ways to help an EV battery last longer in the cold, or at least to minimize the amount of charge lost. To start, don't let the battery get below 20% charge, even if you're near a charging station. The car's systems must warm up the battery before charging can begin, and the battery must have enough power left for those systems to run. You'll also need enough power to run the cabin heater, especially in extremely cold weather. You can leave the vehicle connected in frigid temps to run the battery warming systems, since it takes less energy to maintain battery temperature than to raise it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. Currently, cold weather remains a challenge. The reality is that EV drivers must contend with some setbacks when using these vehicles in cold weather. They function best in moderate climates, but most people in the US live in areas where the climate can shift, sometimes drastically. This doesn't mean they're unusable, but people buying an EV that live in cold areas should know what they're getting into and plan accordingly. Being forewarned means you're informed. Now that you have the facts, you can make an educated decision. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.